All right, gentlemen, Operation Nuts, Italy, turn 2. I had 31 to spend, so I'm going to buy 1 sub, 1 destroyer, 2 artillery, and 1 fighter for 31. All right. All right, I got a few attacks to do. I'm going to take this sub to A36 with this destroyer, 1, 2, 3. And I'll bring my 2 fighters down, 1, 2, 3, and they're going to land in Greece. All right. Yep, they're going to land in Greece. All right, so I am going to take this transport. Okay, I'm going to load up a tank and an infantry. And I'm going to A30. And I'm going to drop them off in Algiers. Actually, I'm going to drop them off in Morocco. Okay. Because this transport's going to pick up this tank and drop in Morocco. Alright, so I'll be using a cruiser bombardment and the battleship. So I'll have 3 bombardments because I'm landing 3 units. This transport is going to go to A30 also. Alright, let me straighten it out a little bit. Figures. Alright, and he's going to take a artillery and an infantry from southern Italy, and this artillery is going to move in, and it will have a cruiser, 1, 2, 3, and he'll do a bombard on this one too. Alright, so those are my 2 attacks. I'll just put these here for now so I know I got them. Alright, and this attack here, and that will be all the attacks. Alright, so we'll start out with the ship one. Alright, you've got a aircraft carrier and a destroyer. Alright, I've got destroyer, sub, and 2 fighters. Alright. Here's your dice, there's my dice. Okay. Alright, so let's see. Anything else to do? Yeah, that's it. And I got 2 hits. I need 3 all total. Let's see what you do for defense. Nothing. Alright. So just get rid of your aircraft carrier. We'll try it again. Alright. You get the fighter got a hit. And your guy got a hit. Alright. So Now we know what to take here. Alright, aircraft carrier is deleted. I'll go take off my what the heck, I'll take off my sub. I'll just leave the destroyer there. And you lose your destroyer, and these guys go to Greece. Very easy. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this dice. Okay, now let's go over here. Alright, so for Algiers, we got 1 guy, and then I have another one later. Then I've got a pair, I got 3 2s, and bombard from my cruiser. Alright, I need a hit. I got plenty, and you got a hit. Alright, so I lose an infantry, and you lose infantry, and it's become Italian. And get rid of that. Alright, next one is you got two guys. Alright, get rid of these. I need one infantry and two tanks. Alright, and I got cruiser bombardment and a battleship bombardment. Okay. Alright, 2 hits. And I got 2 hits, thanks God I brought the ships. And you get freaking 2 hits. Fucking figures. Pardon my French. Very expensive. Here's what I needed. All right. Okay. All right. So. Okay. That's it. I could have brought the bomber down. Dang it. There's what it is. Alright, so bomber's going to pick up 2 infantry and fly him to Gibraltar. So I'll have 2 guys there. So stay there. And Italy. Box 3 say going anywhere. Alright, that looks like it's it. Alright, I'll place my sub and destroyer in A33. Alright, and fighter and 2 artillery. We'll be going into southern Italy. Alright. Okay. Alright. Deposition. Northern Italy has an artillery, 2 AA. Southern Italy, 2 AA, 1 infantry, 2 artillery, 1 fighter. Greece has 2 fighters, 3 infantry, and an artillery. A33 has a destroyer and a sub. In 30, what is it? In A30, I have 2 cruisers, battleship, 3 transports. Gibraltar, I have a bomber. Let's see, we could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can't get 1 bomber, 2 infantry. Morocco has a tank. Algiers has 2 artillery. And that's it. So, okay. Money. All right, Italy is at 18. 18. All right. Axis controls Morocco, Algeria, Tunis, Libya, and El Alamein. All right, so that's 5. Axis Vichy control 3. I do. Alright, no allied surface ships. I still have Anglo-Egyptian Sudan. Oh, wait a minute. Forgot down in here. Oh, because I always forget about down here. But I'm going to take these two guys and attack these two guys. So 2s versus 2s. Yeah. Alright. I hope you guys forgive me, because you always forget about these two down here. Alright, let's see what we got. I'm at the top, you're at the bottom. I got one hit. Alright, let's try it again. And you got one hit. Okay. Artillery versus an artillery. I got the hit. Alright. Tanika is Italy. Alright. Okay. Oh yeah, and the guy from Anglo-Egyptian Sudan. Ain't gonna matter, he's gonna die, whatever you do. Move into Ethiopia with the British Somalia guy. Yeah, I guess so. These two move there. Yeah, because I could have put all 3 there. That's all right. We'll do it that way for now. At least I get something. Okay, so let's refigure that. All right. So Italy now gets 19 plus. We got all of them. Got Gibraltar, got Kenya, and El Alamein. I don't have any order. Cyprus. So I get 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 plus 19. So 39 for next turn. All right. I can use that money. All right, there we go, guys.